Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore the creative world of shoe designing and pattern making. If you're interested in learning how professional footwear is designed, then this video is perfect for you. From the first idea on paper to the final pattern, every step plays an important role in creating a beautiful and comfortable shoe. Designing a shoe is not just about drawing a shape. It is a process that combines creativity, precision, and technical skills. Every great shoe starts with an idea. Designers carefully think about the style, comfort, materials, and purpose of the footwear. Whether it is a sandal, a casual shoe, a sports shoe, or a formal shoe, the design process always begins with planning. The first step is creating the basic sketch. This sketch helps us visualize the final product before any material is cut. Designers use measurements, proportions, and design elements to create a balanced and attractive look. During this stage, different ideas can be tested and improved until the desired design is achieved. After the sketch is completed, the next step is pattern making. Pattern making is one of the most important stages in footwear production. A pattern serves as the blueprint for the shoe. It shows exactly how each piece should be cut and assembled. Accuracy is extremely important because even a small mistake can affect the final result. As you watch this video, you will see how the pattern is carefully drawn on paper. Every line has a purpose, and every measurement is checked to ensure precision. Professional designers spend time perfecting these details because a well-made pattern leads to a high-quality product. Once the pattern is ready, it is cut out and prepared for material selection. Different material, leather, synthetic materials, fabric, and foam are commonly used in footwear manufacturing. The choice of material affects not only the appearance of the shoe, but also its comfort and durability. For those who want to build a career in footwear design, pattern making is a valuable skill to master. Understanding how patterns are created will help you produce better designs and improve the overall quality of your work. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in creating unique and professional footwear designs. In this video, I am sharing practical techniques that can help beginners understand the fundamentals of shoe pattern making. Pay close attention to the measurements, cutting lines, and design structure. These small details make a big difference in the final outcome. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel. If you enjoy learning about shoe designing, pattern making, and footwear development, make sure to follow this page and stay connected for more educational content. Your support motivates me to create more useful videos and share more professional designing techniques with you. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your skills. See you in the next video.